Today, we're going to install a couple of drip emitters in these two planters. And it's a darn good thing I stopped walking backwards, because that would have sucked. But anyways, let's go ahead and get these drip emitters installed, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. All right, now that I got it all set up, this is what it looks like, all said and done. We got a dripper in this pot. We got a dripper in this pot. And how did we get them here? We ran that drip line down the very bottom edge, and I still got to tack it up right there in the middle. You can see it. But that's how I hit it. And then at the very beginning, I installed the manifold in a valve box so it can be easily accessed in the future. Now, there's water on the dock. As for the front yard, we've got these 6 pots on either side of the door to get drip emitters to. So let's get that done. Just like in the backyard, we got a single emitter. Ran the tubing around the bottom here and into the pots. Those 3 pots are covered. We did the same thing on the other end over there. Ran the tubing to these pots and they're all covered. Good to go. On to the next one.